Hello, Crown community. I want to add back a little bit. In this video, I want to show you guys what it's like when you install the Ford Performance Sparco steering wheel for your Crown Vics. Absolutely love it. It does not come with the bolts, so this is why I have like random ones. And anyways, that's another thing. But do not get the quick release. I'm telling you, one thing, it's so much easier to steal your wheel when there's a quick release. So why would you even do that? Another thing, it adds like that much depth to it. Like, it's a huge honking thing, and unless you get you spend like $200 and $300 for the parts to get it like a short hub. I don't know. It's just like, why go there? And you don't need the horn up here, because I'm telling you, this looks better. Check it, guys. With this setup, the Energy Short Hub Adapter, SRK179H, it will fit nicely. I'm still working on getting this thing to stay clipped together. It'll be the exact depth of the regular steering wheel. It'll be the normal depth. It won't change the depth of how you feel with it. It won't give you too much, because if you like being I like being up close, and I need it like further away because I might be a taller guy than some people. So, but here's what I want to show is no horn up here. Check it. I wired up the button to be. Watch. Check it, guys. Boom! Now, if someone breaks into your car and wants to open up the trunk or something, check it. When they pop that trunk, they're gonna be letting you know they're there, and someone's in your car. And it's simple. Like, you pop it back, and it uses like the spade terminals, like what you see on speakers and stuff, like little speakers. You just slip over. You get the female ones. It's a light green wire with a eyelet that you take off, you unbolt, and then a dark blue wire with a female spade connector. You just cut those, extend it, route it up here, and that's how you do it there. Okay, boom. And now if you have cruise control, like I also do, I have now I don't want to take this whole part again, but it's kind of easy. The clock spring, you're going to keep it all connected, stuff it back in there, make sure the connector gets because it'll be like, so here's the clock spring. It's going to have a connector like this, and then a connector like that. And it's going to be kind of annoying. You're going to want to get that up connector, route it up in there. Who cares if it's all unwinding or whatever. And then, you can have, this is just for now. I'm going to do it later, but you can keep your buttons connected for when you want to use it. Boom. And then when I want to get actually routed, when I get to it, I can have them connected here to the base. Or even just right on, imagination is your limitation, right? So, and then have it right there, boom, okay? And then you can keep this cruise control, or you can add your own cruise control. But, man, this thing's sweet. So, definitely an awesome. It's going to feel a little bit tinier, definitely tinier than your normal steering wheel. But, man, once you get that off and this on, geez, dude. And people are like, oh, the suede or Alcantara is going to be kind of dirty. Well, hey, guess what? It is not going to be that as dirty as you think. You can have really dirty hands that you'll touch it and just take a wet rag, clean it up. Also, it feels great to drive with. It's like it's just great. It's the best. You might as well, not be afraid and get this. And so, boom, get that. Right up there, so you don't actually need to modify anything, and you can still have your horn. You don't need any extra stuff except for just some extra wires, this kit or this wheel, this adapter, and then you will need to get your own deals. I think it's like M5 by 25. You can have it, like this with hex keys or Torx keys, and make it even cool, or security Torx, whatever. But you can have really long too, because it can extend, really deep in there. But I highly recommend this. Oh, and yeah, check it. So even though the clock spring is stuffed into there, like in that corner, I can still get movement. Okay, still get movement here. Everything fits, and it looks super clean, guys. So just saying, there you go.